Hello student, and you're welcome back to Solve Your Mathematics Past Question class. Today we are focusing on polynomial, and we are still deeply focusing on addition and subtraction of polynomial as we solve our West African examination past question from the year 2000 to 2010, and as we come across each question dealing with addition and subtraction in polynomial. So the first question I have here with me is from the white past question 2005. It says subtract into bracket x raised to power 4 minus 5x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 7 close bracket from into bracket 10x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 plus 4 close bracket. The first thing we have to do is to subtract the first number from the second numbers. So we'll be having into bracket 10x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 plus 4 close bracket minus into bracket 8x raised to power 4 minus 5x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 7 close bracket. So the next thing for us to do is to open the bracket, and when we open the bracket, the minus sign is going to affect every other signs in the bracket by changing them from positive to negative or from negative to positive. We'll be having this as the next step as we open the bracket. So we'll be having 10x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 plus 4 minus 8x raised to power 4 plus 5x raised to power 3 minus 2x raised to power 2 plus 7. When we do this, the next thing for us to do is to collect our like terms. So to collect our like terms, then we'll be having into brackets 10x raised to power 4 minus 8x raised to power 4 close bracket plus into bracket x raised to power 3 plus 5x raised to power 3 close bracket plus into bracket minus x raised to power 2 minus 2x raised to power 2 close bracket plus into bracket 4 plus 7 then close bracket. Having added these together, we'll be having this as our final answer since we cannot further add any numbers together. We'll be having 2x raised to power 4 plus 6x raised to power 3 minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 11 as our final answer for the addition of polynomial. The next question we have here for you today is from the white past question 2006. It says simplify into bracket x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power 3 plus 5x raised to power 2 minus x plus 8 close bracket plus into bracket 2x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus 4x raised to power 2 plus 3x minus 6 close bracket. So the first thing for us to do is to write out our question, and the next thing for us to do is to combine the like terms together. So we have x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power 3 plus 5x raised to power 2 minus x plus 8 plus 2x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 minus 4x raised to power 2 plus 3x minus 6. So to collect our like terms, we'll be having into bracket x raised to power 4 plus 2x raised to power 4 close bracket plus into bracket minus 3x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 3 close bracket plus into bracket 5x raised to power 2 minus 4x raised to power 2 close bracket plus into bracket minus x plus 3x close bracket plus into bracket 8 minus 6 then close bracket. So then we'll be having this as our final answer. That will be 3x raised to power 4 minus 2x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 2 as our final answer. The next question we have here on our table is from the white past question 2007 still. It says simplify into bracket 5x squared y minus 3xy squared plus 4x minus 2y close bracket minus into bracket 2x squared y minus 5x y squared plus 3x minus y then close bracket. This is a subtraction in polynomial. So the first thing for us to do is to write out our questions, and we allow the minus in between this set of numbers to affect the numbers from negative to positive and from positive to negative. When we write this out, then we'll be having this following as the negative has affected each number. That will be 5x squared minus y minus 3xy squared plus 4x minus 2y minus 2x squared y plus 5xy squared minus 3x plus y. So the next thing for us to do is to collect our like terms. So we'll be having into bracket 5x squared y minus 2x squared y close bracket plus into bracket minus 3x y squared plus 5xy squared close bracket plus into bracket 4x minus 3x plus into bracket minus 2y plus y. We'll be having this as our final answer when we finally add these numbers together. We'll be having 3x squared y plus 2xy squared plus x minus y as our final answer. And the next question we have here for you today is from the White Pass question 2008. It says simplify into bracket 4x raised to power 3 minus 7x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 2 close bracket plus into bracket x raised to power 3 plus 5x raised to power 2 minus x minus 6 close bracket. When we look at this, we are going to just be adding the polynomial numbers together. So, and when we add them together, then we'll be collecting the like terms. So, when we collect the like terms, we'll be having this as our next step of additions. So, we'll be having into bracket 4x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 3 close bracket plus into bracket minus 7x raised to power 2 plus 5x raised to power 2 close bracket plus into bracket 3x minus x close bracket plus into bracket 2 minus 6 close bracket. Then we'll be having this as our final answer as 5x raised to power 3 minus 2x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 4 as our final answer. And the last question we have here for you in today's class, it says subtract into bracket 6x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 5 close bracket from into bracket 8x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 3 close bracket. So the first thing for us to do is to rewrite our questions since we are subtracting the first set of numbers from the second. So we're having into bracket 8x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 3 close bracket minus into bracket 6x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 5 close bracket. Then the next thing for us to do is to allow this minus to affect these numbers. So we'll be having 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 6x squared plus 4x minus 5. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. So we'll be having into bracket 8x squared minus 6x squared close bracket plus into bracket 2x plus 4x close bracket plus into bracket minus 3 minus 5 close bracket. When we add these numbers together, we'll be having these following numbers as our answers. So we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 as our final answer. And this is where we are going to stop for today's class. Thank you for joining us again as we look into the concept of addition and subtraction of polynomial. And we hope you join us in our next class where we continue still on the addition and subtraction of polynomial to better our understanding across the years of past question. Thank you and bye for now.